Good morning to all participants. I welcome you on behalf of Mahmedwar Institute of Management Studies and Research, Kosara Chandrapur, for online faculty development program on imparting ICT tools and techniques for effective online teaching learning methodology during COVID-19 pandemic. Myself, Dr. M.N. Kadri, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Nilkantha Shinde Science and Arts College, Bhadravati. Today I will discuss with you on how to create Google Form and quiz. Now for that Google Form and quiz, we must have the Gmail account. Now first of all, we have to open any browser just like Firefox. Now we have to type Google Form. Enter. It shows the link Google Form. Just we have to click here. As soon as we have clicked, it shows the two sections, personal and business. So we have to go for personal, go to Google Form. Now it asks for the Gmail ID which we have. Now password will be entered. As soon as we have entered here, it shows the Google Forms in this manner. So here is a start a new form. For creating a new form, here plus symbol is displayed. And Google also gives the predefined, that is a default formats also here. You can be select anyone among this. So now we have to create our own form. So that's why we have to go for this one plus symbol. You have to click here plus symbol, create new form. Now as we have click here, it will show untitled form. Means your form title you have to select. And here some options are there: questions, responses, this add-ons, customize themes, preview, settings, send. So one by one we will see. First of all, an untitled form, so we have to give the title for it. For example, student information. Now you can be give form description also, why you have to create form and all things. So this student information title is automatically displayed here, and it is also changed in our Google Drive. So now after giving this title, now you have the questions. So here question will be started. This is the untitled question. The question first we will be started here. Question 1, name of student. The name of student, automatically it will take the short answer. Okay. So why it is take automatically? Because AI concept is there, artificial intelligence. Now here's a name of student. Its type will be this one. So there are so many types. Short answer is used for one line, single line. Paragraph is used for more than one line. Multiple choice. In that 4 choices or more than 4 choices, 2 choices will be given. You can be select any one from it. Check boxes, more than one choice is given. You can be select all, 2, 1, anything. The drop down list, it is same as the multiple choice because anyone can be select. Now you can be upload the file. Then linear scale, it will be from minimum to maximum. Just like good, better, best. So good for 1, then better for 2, and best for 3. Then multiple choice grid is also there. Checkbox grid is also there. We will discuss date, time. These are the field type. Now our field is what? Name of student. For name of student, short answer is sufficient because only single line you can give the answer. Now this is one question. You can be duplicate it. You can be delete it. or you can make as a compulsory. If you select this one, it will be make as a compulsory for this. Okay, we will learn later. Now first question is our name of student. Now we go for second question. To add second question, here beside that you will see here, this is the plus symbol. This is used for add the question. So you can be add the question here. Now second question will be added here. Now we will be add here second question. Highest qualification. So what are the highest qualification of student? For that we have used the multiple choice. So highest qualification may be SSC, then HSC, BSc, MSc. For example, here this one. So this is the multiple choice. Now second, again we want to add another question, then plus symbol, again add question. Now second question we have to add hobbies. What are the hobbies? So for that more than one hobbies will be there, so we have to use the check boxes. Check box as a field type. Hobbies. Now here's the hobbies: cricket, hockey, no, here is what? Football. Any hobby is there. So these are the three hobbies, or anyone you can be add volleyball or badminton. For example. So now once you have added, now another question we want to add, then go for what? Plus. Then plus, again question is what? Gender. Gender. For this gender we can select, now is what? Drop down list. Drop down. So we can be select for what? Male is the option. Second one option we can give female. Third option we can give prefer not to say. This also we can be say. So this form is created for this one. So how it will be look like if we want to see, then we have to go for what? Preview. Now once you have go for preview, this preview, it will show how the form will be look like. Now this is your form. Student information, now name, then this all highest qualification, hobbies, gender, and you can be submit. So now we have to submit one of that. Now student name is Sham, highest qualification, for example MSc. Now you have to go for cricket, Coco. Now gender you can be select male, and now you got submit. So once you have submit the student information, your response has been recorded. Submit another one. If you want to submit another one, you can be go for another one. Now look at here. Response is what? 1. Because we have response 1, that's why one response is mentioned. So such like we can modify also that if this spelling is wrong. So BSc can be added here. Now here's this one. If you have some questions already in your file, then you can be import the questions. Now this is also what it is called what? Adding title and description. So you can be add a title. So if you click here, the title will be added. So if you don't want to add here, then delete here. Lastly, you want to add. So now here after gender, you can be add the title. It is a header footer. So header, your information is recorded, just like this. So now we have to look this again for preview. Now go for preview. Now here's the student name Shilpa. Now highest qualification is BSc. Now hobbies is Coco. Gender is what? Female. Now look here, it shows your information is recorded. It is the footer. Now here's what? Submit. So once submit, your response has been recorded, it shows. And now if you see here how many responses, 2 responses we will get here. If you click here responses, it will shows responses summary is there here. So Sham and Shilpa, these are the two. Then this highest qualification, then their hobbies, then gender. So many, if more students are there, informations will be there, then questions, then individuals also, form will be there. Now here, if you want to decorate this form, then you have to go for this option. That is called what? Customize theme. Now you have to click this customize theme. So once you have customized this, so how it will be look like. Now see here, if I select this one, or you can be give the images also there for header if you want. Then now here is what, just like college logo and anything, you can be inserted as a header. And now here this one theme. Now look like this theme, and background color you can be select, just like you can be select this theme, background color. You can be select this theme, background color. As you want, you can be do it your choice. So next one is there. Now font style. Generally it is a basic. Now you can be change this one. Decorative. If you want to for decorative, then decorative form will be displayed. Now if you go for formal, the formal effects will be there. If you go for playful, the playful effects. So generally it is a basic is there. Generally basic. So many forms styles we have. Decorative, the decorative will be there. So generally we have kept as a basic. So this will be look like this, and this responses is also there. Now here is in setting. If you want to go for setting, so in that setting there is a general. If you want to collect the email addresses also there, then you have to go for collect email addresses. Whenever one can fill the form, email address will be required. Then limit to one response, means only one time the person will be select this form. And you can be edit after submission. You can be edit, you can be select this one. Now these are the information. See summary, chart and text also there, and you can be save the form. So you can be save this form as it is. Now here, if you want to send this form to another one, so many persons, students, then you have to go for what? Send. So here is send option is there. So when you send, when you click this send, you can be sent to email, means those person want to fill this form, or when we want to use this form to all persons, you have to just write the email IDs. Or if you want to share the link, so this link option is there. This link option is very important. So you have to take this one link is also, this is the longest link, but short link is required. So you have to select short link. So you have to copy this link. And send on WhatsApp. So automatically form information will be collected. So you have to select this one, or you can be go for Facebook, Twitter, and also that. And this one is option is there, which is used for embedded HTML form is there. Means your website is there, on that website it will be attached automatically. So moreover, we are using this link, short link, and we will copy this copy, we can copy this and share to the WhatsApp group is there. So this is also very important. Now lastly, if someone want to fill it as a offline, so this print option is there. This print option is used to offline. This print. Now here's a print. This print option means offline you can also print this student information, then your all things are there. So anyone offline can also fill it. So this is very useful. Either you have to share this information, or either you have to